Good morning, Ruby. Let's turn this down a bit. Nerd. Is that a good sound level? Well, it's actually afternoon. It's afternoon and I say good morning. Might be morning for you. $9 PM, not bad. Still some time left for me to yap at you. I already had my energy drink for today, so we're under the water. So where did we get to last week? I think we ended, was it like 10 hours? With Hunter tracking like mostly done. Minash, hello. It's hot in here today. Hopefully that cools down. How are you, Minash? Wait, Vetro's on. That's an old name. Big chillin', what are you doing? Like, shooting stars? Still going for Abyssal Dagger? Are you into the dentist and the doctor? Doing construction, oh no. Poor Minash. You have to make your own logs? Planks? Should be, I think I showed it off on the images channel. The new UI construction should be quite nice. Oh, yeah, using the butler, yeah, that's pretty good then. I think there's like a bug report on the butler where he's supposed to like remember the last thing you told him. Does he not do that? This is speaking from memory though. I'd have to find it. Ooh, this is one of the new songs. Ruby. I've added this. I think I added it last night. Yeah, 11 hours ago. But yeah, so today we'll try and get Hunter set up on Dev World, and then maybe we can even sync it across to Test World and people can test. Perchance. So that'd be quite fun. Let's just test it out locally and see where we got to. What happens when we press shift? Oh shit. Ding. Oops. So, where did we get to? Pretty sure we could like track everything. Oh yeah, we're trying to do the monastery. I think we delayed that one. Where were we? So here, is it still on the hunter list? Ooh, I think Rigordi gave us a new track. Is this the new track? It is. 1, 2, 3. How do these look? This is the Rigordi tracks. You guys see that airplane? Right. Yeah, so we got... How many blocks is that? 3 blocks? I don't think it's so laggy. Do I have the RuneLite GPU plugin? No? I don't know. Just it's laggy. Let's open the map. Looks good, yeah. Well, what we can do with it, right, is say we go to track. Where's track 0? See, like that looks like a good distance. So if we delete this last one. It doesn't have to be perfect. Did I make it so you could click on this and it would teleport? Oh yeah, sweet. So you could do like slight adjustments. So go in F5 maybe. And then you could like make adjustments. Whoa! Minash gifting a sub. Hey, appreciate it, appreciate it. Who's Beat Bop KO? Have they ever chatted? Following since 2020. When did they last message? 2021. Oh no. Well, hopefully they get the notification and they come back. Hey, we'll see, we'll see. Appreciate it though, Minash. When you do like sub goals and stuff, actually. Put QA on sub goal stuff. Sub goal, 100 subs, and we add fishing trawler. I don't know. Like fuck it, why not? But you want a Disco Nitro? Oh yeah, I saw that. Did it not give it to you? It should like show up in your rewards, no? I saw that was a thing. Oh, it's gonna autoplay. Where was it? It was in like notifications, right? Sub for them, a good for you. Sub before October 31st. Unlock Discord Nitro. Get 3 months. Prime subs and existing subs aren't eligible. Oh wow, Codio. How do you... Codio? How do you pronounce your name actually? I've only ever seen it in game. No, only for new subscribers. So you had to gift a sub. Howdy, howdy. Is it Codio? Codio. Codio. Welcome, welcome. Anyone know Nitro? DM me. Oh. That's it? Which one? I said all of them. See what? Because you've had Discord Nitro before, you can't do it again. Oh no. Wait, really? Oh yeah. Who is eligible? The Discord Nitro code is redeemable for new and qualified returning Discord Nitro users where available. Qualified returning users include those who have not had Discord Nitro in the past 12 months. Oh, you actually got scammed, Minash. Rodeo. So sort of like rodeo. Rodeo Codio. There we go. Oop. I'll try ingrain that into my brain, like I've renamed Minash. I'm not great at retaining information, but I'll do my best. Welcome, welcome. What are you doing on the server today? At least you won't get that Discord. Yeah, you just have to, I don't know, try give it to a friend or something, Minash. I think this looks done. I think Rigordi asked if he needed Rigordi. QA, yeah, so if we go to the dev server, Bitro, there's an old name. Welcome back, welcome back. Codio's your only friend. Wait, what happened to the dev server? Oh, I stopped it. I think. What did I stop it for? Did I stop it? I stopped it for some reason. I can't remember why. Cat Jam. Does that show up? It does. It doesn't show up for me on chat for some reason in Streamlabs, but that's alright. Who's online? Ooh, got a few people. That's good, that's good. You got him to play your main game? Your main game? What's your main game? I've been playing a bit of Deadlock actually. It's actually quite fun. Fall Guys. That's your main game. Hey. Someone has to be a professional at Fall Guys, alright? So it may as well be Minash. He was bad at Fall Guys. Hey, everyone starts somewhere, alright? Minash is just the pro. Right. So... what was I doing here? What could I possibly have been doing here? Who knows? So whereabouts is this in RuneLite? It is just over the agility. Go down. There we go. So QA. Do we have a model, or do we use like bushes like this? Ruby, if you're there. And then for the burrows, he just had like these, or should we have like a model? So this is how it looks like in RuneLite. So should we have like a model for this? Or do we I should turn off these inventory. View viewer. There we go. Don't mind me 15,000. Oh, you guys can't see it. How do I turn off? Okay. Don't mind the 15,000 nature runes, alright? I was just testing something. Wink wink, nudge nudge. You'd say model for the burrow? What about the plants? And then the bushes. How do we get that on screen? There. So you got like the plant, and then you've got the bushes. Yeah. So we can do it like we show and hide RuneLite. So that's what he had there, and there's the one over here. This one. And these are supposed to be the bushes, I think. But I don't know what to do for the plants. I don't think we have like a plant. We've already made these sort of things. So if you could, wonder if you can make like a small bush, something similar to this. Just do this. It needed to be like taller. And it looks jank as hell. You can do it like blocky. I don't know how we're gonna do like. It's like a plant, it's not even like a tree. I feel like models would help them distinguish them as hunter objects rather than scenery. Yeah. I will respond. UA says models will distinguish them from just normal blocks / scenery. Someone asked how the advertising is going to look like. Yeah, so we can go. And what we've tried is like Reddit ads, tried like Facebook ads. But I don't think we've probably done them correctly. We need to focus on like community stuff, I think. Like our shooting stars like brings people together. We need to focus on that. So we'll do something around like that. Saying like, and then maybe how like everything's free. Because there's a lot of like people. Yeah, there's a lot of people that couldn't justify like the membership increases on old school, even though it's up for debate, right? But here we're just making it for the fun of it. I was actually looking into it, not looking into it, but if you watch Devin Nash on YouTube, he used to be like a Twitch advertising person. Well, he would advertise on Twitch, and he says it's not like good returns because like all the big streamers have like managers. So you have to go through a manager. You just can't reach out to the streamer. For the old school streamers, I'm not sure. But like streamers in general have like managers and stuff. So we'd have to, yeah, we could probably just reach out to like old school people because they might not have like managers per se. But we'll see. Might have to do like a fundraiser and then ask people who they want to see playing it, maybe. Ask the community who they want us to like sponsor. That'd be a cool way to do it. Don't know. Rather than having it like, oh, we just sponsor someone and then nobody on this. You want to keep it like in the community. So if you see people you watch on like YouTube and stuff, it'd be cool to have them come on. Like, I watched Sopoga for ages and then he joined the server. I was like, hey, it's insane. So if we're having models, if we have the item barrier, so this is what it looked like, but if we're changing it to a model, whoa, Podio, 5 gifted, Chewy. Much appreciated. Who got it? Miner ID, Secret Cow level A, QA got a gifted, and so did Vitro. Hey, nice. Also, lurk exposed, just a Mew. Mimu. Oh my god. Got exposed for lurking. Wait, what's that, like, cake icon? R-Place 2023 cake. Hey, yeah, thanks for that, Kodio. Appreciate it. Yeah. Any gifted, any subs just goes towards the server, so don't, much appreciated. And it could maybe go towards sponsoring some streamers. Yeah. Hopefully, I don't know, VL John Doers. Let's have a look. All messages. 2020 again. Maybe they'll come back. They can watch the VOD with no music. What the hell? Can I move? Oh, okay. The mouse wasn't working. Yeah, thanks Kodio and Manash for the gifted subs. If you... Wait, you don't even gift... Go to... You don't even sub just... Kodio's not even subbed himself. And he gifted 5 people subs. Dedication to the community. Alright, let's go look at the code. So I was working on Ruby. What? Is it you that was testing the shooting stars? So it's only if you mine Stardust will it give you the extra Stardust, right? That's what you're saying? All good, everyone. Yeah. Just wanted to confirm that with you. Or I commit that change, and then I fixed agility to have the required lapse because it wasn't showing it. So if you're the discoverer and the loot has stardust, then it will give you a second one. Okay. No worries, that's cool. We can commit that. Fix stardust. What was it? Discoverer on gem. And fix agility. Display lapse required. Cool. So if we go into Hunter, the bug Minash posted. Is it recently? I responded to the mining one. Gonna have to be more specific there, Minash. But if you, yeah, I don't know. It's looking at the code, it looks fine. So I don't know. It should give it to you. The only thing I could think of is that you might be hitting it when your inventory's full, and so it doesn't work. But other than that, the likelihood of that like only being on the last slot, I don't know. But it is RNG, right? So you would have to go like you would have to get a large sample size. Because I think the random uses secure random, which is pretty much random. Not just a normal random one. So I don't know. We can look into it. Because yeah, we can look into it more. I could like do like a test command or something, but other than that, I don't really know what to say. Right, yeah, so Hunter interaction block. So the burrow block, we need to redo this one. So arrow 250. Is there anything on that? Blocks arrow. So we'll make that burrow. What else do we need? We need burrow. Wait, what about the bushes, Ruby? Bush and jungle plant. I keep pushing the fucking Hunter barrow. Burrow. We want Hunter. What is it? Bush. And Hunter jungle plant. Cool. So let's get this done. So instead of burrow block, we want as well as bush block, which is 251. And then lastly, jungle plant. So we have to define each type of block we want, right? Let's just get rid of this. But we were already handling this in the hunters, in the tracking. So if you see here, let's pretty much copy this. So on the bush block, it's this one. Oops. So if the block is null, or wait, why am I doing this in the wrong place? Header. Gonna need this in all of them. So if we get the location, if that doesn't equal null, we probably just do it the other way around, right? Just so it looks nicer. And then this is on bush interact, so let's just copy this out. Has private access? Record's private. You just Codio did some thinking. Yeah, well, what we can do is in this loop command. Let's do a test one. Add argument ms end argument, which will look like this. Random. Is random used elsewhere? What's wrong with this? No, I fucking added another. And then out of. So. Let's just let's see what the AI does for us. Max out of. So we want a random. So if you say 5 out of 100. So we want rolls, and then out of rolls, out. And then all we have to do is int stream of in 4 1 2 4 In-stream, doesn't in-stream do that? Okay, there we go. So if you arrange it, and then we do .map, it's random next, isn't it? Of out. You rolled summon. Send message. There we go. I see what you mean. Let's yeah. Let's test what's up with that. Let's quickly finish this though. So why is this area has is it like dot area? There we go. One related problem, that's fine. And track map removed. Oh, how do we remove it? Is it not? Get a player track map. So if we remove them, only on the items holder, it's not too bad. Unless we leave it in here. And then we just do this. That's better. Same with the burrow block. So is this used? Start track. Burrow dot burrow. There are two screenshots at two different times. Yeah, we'll do a test here and see if it's a random. Like I've used it everywhere. Should theoretically work. And then the jungle plant. It's very similar actually to these. Jungle plant. Link. Link. Get link. Link. On track plant. Yeah. So we can remove this interaction. And do we get instance on this? There we are. Let's move that to the tracking manager in it. Same with the bush block. And same with the jungle plant. Cool. Doesn't matter if false. Alright, so we need to remove that one later. Well, you reckon people will hop onto the test world to test this? There's a bunch of stuff in that I'm gonna be posting to the test world soon. So hopefully, you guys want to hop on, all the members. Go to like the new. Did I post it in the roadmap? So update the hunter. In there, I've added the changes. So we added rune combinations, and then there's another one in there if you guys want to go look. That I think is quite cool. And then the interface icons. There's another little sneaky change I put in the update for 43. Other people testing makes the QA's life easier? Yeah. And you also want to do like the music regions, right? Is there anything you can do around that, Ruby? Just off the top of your head? I don't know what you would like specifically do, I'm just trying to think ahead of if there's something you can pre-plan for like music areas. But where do we post bugs in the test world? There should be a test world server channel that all the members are in. Hasn't been posted since 2022, but that's where I'll post like the stuff. Yeah, it's just in the Discord. It's my local done. Still starting? Not that you can really think of. I need to know, like, where in MineScape does, like, the corner start? Like, each region. Ah, shit. I forgot I did this change. should be fine. But yeah, we'll try and get this done today, and then we can get people testing. It'll be quite cool, I reckon. What's your current 99s, Manesh? I saw it in the post, actually. We'll just say construction, right? Just to make you feel the pain. Let's have a look. You don't have many left. You're close to 99 construction. I mean, you're already 95, so you go for that. Like an easy one would be for fletching. Rune crafting. Rune crafting's not too bad with the Oriana altar. You just do AFK fishing to 99. You have 1399s? Oh, wait, what do you mean 8? What's wrong with your 99s? You number 2 in rune crafting? You become number 1? You shouldn't count combat. Why not? Because it's not the same? Or something? I wanted to get 250 reward permits. I don't even know what that means, Ruby. Is it like Wintertodt? Right. Oh yeah, I did die combining. That's right. Wintertodt, yeah. Let's go to Valkyrie. Why? Right, so yeah, I changed everything. Oh, it's the selection tool, that's why I had that. Items... Item, arrow, model item. Arrow 250. So this will be the burrow. So we have to... Barrier? So if I interact with that, that works. Okay. Does it work if it's not? It's like something else. Only if you interact with the... Okay, that's fine, we can just do that then. Item, arrow, 251. Which one's this one? This is the bushes, eh? No, not model item. So add these to all the bushes. 252 is all of these guys. Put this back to like a burrow block, so you don't get confused. So what do you get from the rewards of Wintertodt? What's the stuff that you actually want? Report 1, the question marks of in the item frames. I think that's all of them. So we should technically now be able to continue this. No? Is that not? Did I not set them up? Bush. Jungle. Ah, there we go. Jungle one's 252. Okay. Better. Anything you want to the Tome of Fire or the Pit? Tome of Fire. Charged with burnt pages. Each one adding 20. Casting a fire spell will increase its damage by 10%. Not bad. You watching someone's... Yeah, I mean, getting pets in old school's an achievement. Especially on Iron Man. The big achievement. So, 100 gifted subs and we add Wintertodt. I'm kidding. Don't take me seriously, please. We might do stuff like that after free to play. We'll start getting community. Like, that's the thing about the polls, right? So we get like what the community wants, but we might do some more like open discussions. More open about like feedback would be a lot better. And like you can use like Discord stages. We can have people who are like asking questions and we can answer those. So, for example. Don't tell Charles, you won't do it. I'm not gonna... If it's not gonna be in for like long, then we won't. Charles is taking a break? You never take a break. Oh shit. I needed to noose wand. I mean, I think he... Based on the last conversation with him, he might have been a bit misconstrued. Maybe didn't quite understand what I was saying. No, because he's right in terms of, like, it's not the same as old school, but what I was saying is, like, in the background it would still continue to track. I wasn't meaning we can't stop it from, like, displaying past 200 mil, etc, etc. I was just saying, like, in the background, I still wanted to track further. So, maybe he got, like, a little bit misconstrued on what I was meaning. So I hope I don't know. I could reach out to him probably and make sure everything's all good with him. I'll reach out to him after stream. I was upset at people talking about him in MineScape chat without him there. Wait, what? Like on server chat? So it wasn't the high score thing? Or in like general chat? I'm lost. I can reach out, like I'm not... Obviously we want everything to be... Not obviously, but I hope it comes across that we want everything to be like as close to RuneScape as possible. That's the whole goal of the project. It's what we said from... Not day one, but... as close as we can get. I mean, you can't stop people from talking about you when you're not there, but his choice how he deals with that, right? But I thought if it was on like the high score stuff, then hopefully it comes across that we will try. Obviously the functionality isn't there right now. That's the whole thing, right? Where if he got to 200 mil thieving, it wouldn't. So, oh fuck, still forgetting to use the newest one. Can we equip this? It's supposed to be able to. Wait, it's supposed to have it equipped as well. Equip weapon. Am joint. Noose wand. It's supposed to have it equipped actually. I had not considered that. Start track. Who's the bush one? Not track bush. Hey, can we not put it in now? Is it because this thing's bugged? Huh. Oh, it's two-handed. Oops. Never mind, don't mind me. But yeah. The discussion's always open from my end about things like that. Yeah, I can reach out. But I can't solve the boredom thing. If someone else, if he has an issue with someone else, and that's between them to you know, figure out. Hopefully he reaches out to boredom or something, or clears it up with whoever. Not gonna. The only thing we police is what, like talking about like negative about staff, because our staff are like, you know, helpers and stuff, and a lot of the community are helpers, but I don't know. You want to be the police, the what is it? English police or whatever, language, not language, but like discussion police. Saying the limitation, yeah, because I said like with support achievements, just saying the limitation of XP isn't there, so we don't plan to limit it. So I want to make it like where it still tracks you past, but it'll just display 200 mil on the high scores, etc. So I'd imagine like a whole bunch of people in old school. They've hit 200 mil, and then they wouldn't know. Oh yeah, I've doubled that, so I don't know. Like it would kind of limit what you can do a little bit. Because old school's not going to tell you. Is it third-party plugins, Ruby, that tell you your gained experience past 200? Is that a thing? It'd be kind of weird because it'd have to track so much. Yeah. But it would have to track too many actions, right? Unless it still shows XP drops, but it doesn't add it. I keep fucking getting to use the goddamn new swan. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Ruby, is essentially that. Well, that's my thinking. Ooh. Nice, nice. Yeah, so if we get models for these, so if we have a model for that, it's pretty much done, isn't it, at that point? Did it give me the... It didn't give me the loot. Alright, we can fix that. Wait, it should have given me that. Items holder, few drops. Oh, here we go. Hunter items dot bones. What else do we get? Belt weasel. Ulcerous. Weasel. Was it on this computer that I added the item helper? I don't think so. Bones, weasel fur, and raw beast meat. Raw. So those don't exist. These aren't items that exist currently. Oh, raw beast meat does. Just not this one. So... chance to get an old boot. That's if you just search a random bush, right? With the new swan. Okay. You think? I don't think I have the helper on VS Code here to add this item. scripts, process sound helper. Let me just go quickly push it on the other computer. One sec. Move that to the screen. Be right back. Literally like 2 seconds, hopefully. Alright, we're back. Sorry. I'll close the door properly. So, if we pull this code. How do we show this again? Screen. So we added this item helper for beetroots. So, I don't think I have a requirement. Shit. We have Python. How do we fix it? We'll see. This would be weird. Right. So UI .github scripts item helper. It's gonna complain about a request, yeah. Is it Pippa UMV or is it its Python? Use a different one. Installation. Windows. see version manager. I'll just do it the old way. Requests. Should be able to install a few of these. Where's image TK from? Oops. 32. Clipboard. Python. I didn't install it. Install py-32. And hopefully Tinker's already done. Image DK. Let's just see what happens. Right, we have AI. AI can help us. Cool. So let me open beetroot.json. And we go down here. We go ms hunter. Then we want to do. What's the item we're missing? Bowed up weasel fur. Bowed up weasel fur. We know the item ID for this. Go here. We go data, items, weasel fur. Hold up, weasel fur. So 1110119. This is what it looks like. So we can copy that image, right? And when we go in here, oh, we need to save this. It's gonna detect that this doesn't exist. So then can we copy image address? How large is that? Why is that large? 36 by 32. There's another one. Winnie. That's the noted version. Why is it 36? So that's the item helper now. So you just edit this, and then it'll ask you for like a URL, and you can just put it in and it'll create. So it's created, it's modified be true. Well, I modified be true, but it's automatically created the handheld item for me. So then if we go into game, and we do model item, beetroot, then what one was it? 122. And then reload our resource pack. It should show up. Shows up. I was gonna set up a third monitor. So we need to do that. There we go, weasel fur. Nice. So then we can go into members items. We need to add it to the document. Items. $121. Bell dip weasel fur. So then we go into the code, we go to members, items. Go to the bottom, and we add it. And let's just align it correctly. And then hunter items, let's make sure its name's the same. Good, because I accidentally fucked it up. I added 2 eyes. Okay, cool. So that should give us the drops now. Let's go test that. What's everyone's plans for the weekend? Blood work? Like after your doctor visit? Hopefully you're alright. Take me to church. You going to church on Monday? Be right back. Just need to quickly grab something. You know, spend some time with your fiance, try getting some more tool score rework. Oh, that'd be good. free to play coming? Do you reckon we could get them at the same time? Like, what if I do a bunch of pre-work before free to play is ready, and then we could just drop it in the same update? Because we have to redo the ABCs and stuff anyway, so you may as well add all the stuff. Are you gonna say Cirque du Soleil with your partner? Nice. And Minash has already seen it. I think I saw it when I was like a kid. It's probably pretty good. I'm trying to stay away from the spoilers. Alright, let's try this. I think it's supposed to be. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, we got the drops. I mean, we can always stage it, Ruby. For the clue scrolls, we can always just release them like one at a time. We only need to replace easy at the moment with the correct easy ones. And then slowly roll out the other ones. You've only seen it as a kid too? Yeah, like ages ago. I was probably like 13, 14 or something. Right. Is there anything I'm missing? He was like 8 or 9. Yeah, I mean, this would have been like, what, like 12 years ago now or something. You're fine with that, but I want it to just be just two parts of it. I'll try to get hard done. Beginner, easy, medium. And I think even beginner, easy, and medium wouldn't be too bad without hard. If you've already done them, that is. I'm gonna try to get rid of this multiple messages. This should be all we need. Right. So if we go to dev update, go to libs and upload. You're gonna do the clue scroll bug fix. Clue scroll bug fix. Which one? The spam? just include that in the Food Score rework. It's not like a biggie. It's a bit of spam for people that don't like it, but you can do something later on. What I was thinking is, it would just like keep updating the number that you've opened, but you could click on the message, and it would like show all the stuff they dropped. But it would like update in live time, so it would be cool. You posted something else there? Is it in the bugs? Maybe unique collection of how many uniques they have left in suggestions. There's nothing in suggestions for clues. Maybe unique for their collection log. Ah, so if they get a unique one they haven't had before, then it'll announce it. That could be done. And then everything else is just... You could still like click on the message and see what they were getting dropped. I reckon it'd be kinda cool. Right. So, if you go to the dev world now, div. Divalicious. So, item. Model item. Arrow. 250. Can I rename this? Item. Oh wait, I didn't even restart the dev server. Oops. So for your thing, Manash, what you're saying about... So loot, random, rolls 1,000, 5 out of 100. You rolled... No. That is not correct. I think it summed it instead of loot command. Dot count. That's my bad. Let's redo that. Did they not compile? It didn't. It was a long count. I'm gonna find out once and for all whether our random generator is actually working. Go up to like 1,000,000 rolls. Should be fine. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, it's been an hour and a half of standing. Let's sit down. Oh. confirm. So beginner, easy, and medium are done. Is that with the areas we will have by then? Slash quests slash whatever. I'm guessing. Is it Blue update with Hunter? Nah, it'll be with free to play. Or after. Right, so we should go up to 1 million. Oh yeah, I don't know what to tell you, Minash. This is using like a different utils. Shooting star interaction. Not shooting star. Mining skill. Yeah, it's using the same random next. It's very close to 50,000 out of a million, which is 5%. Are you able to see this, Minash? It's all up to date as of you know, so I'd have to give it a once over and update it with free to play. It'll be extremely easy compared to making this originally. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so I mean it's just random, right? Because you can see there's like a variable of like, I mean it's went up to 50.2, and then I guess it would go as low as whatever. Yeah, 49.4 on that one. So it's definitely variable. Do 6 out of 20. 20 out of 6. Am I doing the wrong way around? Or 100 out of... Fuck. 4 out of... That's the wrong way around. It's fine. I mean, what's that supposed to be? Times by 5, 30,000? Or 300,000? Yeah, that's close. Do one roll at a time. I mean, alright, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is close to 6.
Baby, give me a second. 'Cause our energy's changing. 'Cause this ain't
Yeah, it's just the display. It's the AI made the message for me, so.
'Cause when you find something real, you gotta hold on. Otherwise, what's it for?
Don't worry. The AI swapped these two numbers. If it was the other way around, it wouldn't. Yeah, if I do 26, it's just gonna shit itself. It's always gonna. I think it'll always roll. Pretty much. Yeah. So that's not how it's working. Yeah, it's just RNG, I guess. I mean, it's 6 times more likely, but okay, so we go to div. So what happens if it's not being set up? A roadblock. Right, so this is one location. Now we have to build it like old school. Wait. I don't think you guys can see this. But this one is only 5 bushes. Is that right? I don't think that's how we've coded it. Shit. The Summit 1G ending song? Yeah. This old one. I don't know if he has it still now, because it's like, it'd be like copyright, probably. Fuck. Because this one is technically a part of both? That's crazy. So you have a burrow. And then you have these ones that are like in between the burrow and the bush that are shared. I wonder if it matters. Does it matter if I add them as the same location? You see this one here, these two are linked. There's only one here. There's two this side. There's two here, but sometimes there's only one. So if it goes from the burrow directly to a bush, it's only one. Well, there's one here as well. But I'm just wondering if it even makes a difference, whether if they're the same block or not. Yeah, so it gets fucked up here on this thing. 'Cause it could be either. So we need to take into consideration if we need to take into consideration the direction that they're trying to get to. Fuck. Bush. That's not right. That's fine. What we can do. So we go track manager, get player track PL dot var. Player track doesn't equal null. And
Did you really think that you could just fix it like that? Coming over here, trying to feed me your version of fact.
what is this?
Just how long did
Track ID in a direction.
fake it? Can't hold on, we almost out of breath.
And player track dot get X track. Dot track ID. Link dot is this? Area link dot track ID. Then the link will be that. It was your birthday on Tuesday? If we send you a video, can you show it on stream? Potentially, depending on the video. You're trying to get me banned, are you, Minash? It's a man's not hot. Is it you? Is it you dancing? The man's not hot. You can send it in the Discord. You can send it in community content for everyone to enjoy, you know? So we got the jungle part, so next track. Then we override it. I think that'll work. Actually, let's make what do we want? We want to be able to update existing ones. So in the chat UI for the track, here's the link start. Man's got the hips. Wait, you done a previous? Wait, where's the Orange Justice? Is that in here? In the community content? I'm not sure if this will come through on stream, the sound. No, it does. Yeah, it's in there. I don't know where it is. I hope you had a good birthday. Get some good gifts maybe. Or at least just a good day in general. What are we doing here? Add point. Link the start to the end. What do we do? Let's go back to our logos for a sec. Bushes. When we click the list, we could go to edit it. No, not bushes. We want tracks. 0. The bush to start, the bush to end. Doesn't really matter. only thing that matters is the tracks. Let's just add 2 more lines. And then plant start, plant end, plant start. You sent the other one? Orange Justice. You gotta... You put the deposit for the house? Wait, what? You have to go hand the deposit in. Home's Dropbox. Eh? What am I looking at? Like, in terms of... What are you doing here? You put the deposit for a house. And you gotta, like, drop it off into, like, a box? Because I've never put a deposit for a house down, so I wouldn't know. Location. Location utils. Plant. Track. Get. Start bush. Start plant. Get end plant. And command plant. And then for this one, you don't want to do that shit. Thank you very much. Where do we get the selection? Add bush. Sorry, add plant. Add burrow. Add track. Let's do plant start actually. So you might want to only edit it sometimes. This equals should work. Otherwise that, and then we just do the plant end. Are you still in that same house? Is it the one in the other video? Can you add is there gifs you can add of like dance? It's not like good. There we go. Yes, but you're selling soon? Nice. Hopefully moving onwards and upwards, you know? Can't end. So, let's try this. Where a bush is both the start and the end. Occasionally. So if, say we have this one. And it's both the start and the end between this and the bush. Oh, my frames. Is it also item frames? And it's just an image, so that shouldn't take up too much GPU. What is my FPS? 20? Huh? Oh damn, streaming on this PC is rough. Ain't no way it's the GPU. It's gotta be CPU bound. Let's have them so we move around. I think 12 cores would be enough. So shit. Hunter. Temp. So this is track point 2. So tracks 2. Fuck. That shouldn't matter. So start. No, we don't refresh the fucking. Is it not? Refresh PL. Plant start. Plant end. So now it's the start and end there. So we just keep rolling this till it goes that way. So it shouldn't matter. Oh no, we need it to be coming back this way. Fuck. So we gotta do one like over here. List, this is number 3. So now it's the start and the end. So hopefully it's this way. So it's this way. Okay, so we need it to go the other way. No. So this will do nothing now. Okay. When it says the tracks, it's still going the right way, so that should be fine. Okay, cool. Fix that issue. So where's temp? Upload. It seems very chill. Yeah, well, we're just slowly working things out. What the hell is that sound? No idea. Yeah, we're just working things out. I mean, it's like this. I'm pretty much like this, not streaming, right? I'm just sitting there typing away. I just want to be yapping. It's just nice to have people to yap to when you're working on things. You know? Hopefully we can get this set up and maybe just some like temp models. I've never tested if you just AFK for test like so and then finish following the tracks. Yeah. I think if you'd like hop worlds it would change, but I don't know if you'd if it would necessarily change when you just AFK'd. I don't think it would matter. It's not exactly a lot of memory for the server to hold, you know? I don't know, a few bytes of memory. They might disappear at some point, I guess. My thing, Ruby, was what if you start tracking Beldip, run away, come back, will it still be there? If it is still there, what happens if you try like start tracking in like a different area, you know? There's also that, so there might have to be something QA checks out. Or even if you try and do like, I think other like trapping pits and stuff would be fine. Alright, so we've uploaded to div. Let's restart it. To the wait, what does that mean? FAFO. Oh. I mean, you could say like mess around and find out. I don't know if you need to necessarily. Oh shit. Yeah, we'll try to get this set up. Sync. Yeah, like a sync folder. Just random shit like this. Div. Hence the abbreviation, I guess, yeah. It's not really conspicuous though. So we're gonna set it back to granite until we have a model. The model can go somewhere there. Right, so if we look at RuneLite, Christ, this is gonna be hard to like set up. So there's a big tree, a plant, in the bush in this thing. A bush. That's so there's the tree, and then the bush is like in front of it. Okay. So set up all the bushes. So what were the bush IDs? Purple item, arrow 251. Let's just set up our inventory better. Right, so there's a bush. Oops. Let's go set up another bush. Free lantern lens caps. Oh, it's because he's Iron Man, he's just dropping them. And this is another bush here. Well. So there's another bush. Then we want to set up. It's like one in the middle of all these trees. That one. Okay. Is that right? Yeah, like a. Okay. Doesn't let me destroy things with the arrow. So there's a bush. I don't think that one's one. This one is. But it's more like. Oh. So they're there. And then like. It's like here. I'm like here. Like, let me say here. That's on the wrong side of this bush. This one needs to be like closer this way. Yeah. Cool. There's one all the way over here. So there's that tree, that tree, that tree. It's in line with this tree down to like here. Kind of means this one needs to like move over. We definitely have to clean up a lot of these bushes. You hit up Bandit, shoot me a message when you need a tester, otherwise it'll just be QA. No worries, yeah. Just work on what you can. No biggie. Appreciate you chilling with us. Best part's the feedback and the input. Push there. No, Mr. Dr. Jinkle, I do not want to talk. I just need a herb. Piss off. So let me go up to this tree. And there's a bush to the left of it. Cool. Wait, that's the wrong area. Is this just in the wrong area, this one? I think it is. It's supposed to be like next to this tree here. So the views over here. This one. So we want granite, and we want the item. This is on this side of the tree, next to this. Cool. So these are the burrows and the bushes. So then all we have to do is add the tracking. So we can start on it. So hunter, tracking, gives us a selection tool. New foul dip weasel. Is this the only? Is this the only foul dip weasels? It is. So this is a burrow. This is also a burrow. Gotta add all the bushes. Boom, boom, boom. Is there only 6 bushes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yep. 2 burrows, 6 bushes. And there's a whole bunch of fucking tracks, dear god. Alright, we need something else to act as a... Do these exist? Oh shit. Yeah, let's use that. We don't need any more burrows, we don't need any more you, don't need any more you. 252. Right, so... around this burrow here, there is a bush down here, next to this tree. There, actually. And then there's a bush going like up this way. Goes all the way around to this bush on this side. Then, so if we set this up right, so we go, and we want left click, start, right click, end. And then we do list 0. So that looks actually kind of jank. Just the burrows. And we link that to 0, opposite of the nearest 0 end. So it's got 0 start, so we want to link it to the 0 end. What are the bushes? Linked bush end. Linked bush start. No. Yeah. Cool. What will that do? And we just need to add the tracks, right? So you go list 0. And then it goes like all the way around, so you don't want to start like here. That point. Oh, what are we doing like down blocks? What if we move this one? It goes like around the side actually. It goes like around this. So let's update the first one. There's like a wide berth around the tree, actually. Oh, so hard working with all these. Is there a texture pack that destroys these grass blocks? See if we can go edit these fucking grass blocks out. Assets, Minecraft, textures, block. What are these things called? Tall grass. Let's edit these. Use paint.net. Let's edit these out. I find those annoying in your face too. Well, we'll see. You can remove them around like the tracks. Ah, much better. What's this one? Large firm. Best choose another app. Paint.net always. What plants? I don't know what you're talking about, Minash. There's no plants here. What plants? There's none. God, it looks so much. It's like good for visual color. It looks nice having it all. But when you're just trying to build, it just like makes it annoying. Alright, is that a point? It has to start like going inwards. Not too far. Comes in like a little bit. This is just an example. And that's not looking too bad. I won't have the names. So that's actually looking pretty cool. Look how cool that looks, with the little tracks. It comes in around the side of this. Now we can move back a bit. Oh, you don't see Minecraft? Oh shit. My bad. We get the root lights up. It needs to be its own scene for Rune Light, actually. That's what I should do. That's like the gist of it. Obviously the spacing isn't. Is what it is. Let's move this one back so we can add another one. What do you think, Minash? Whee! Looks good, yeah. And then it'll be linked to the bush. And then you'd go from here, like, to the left, or back up to... Where's the next one? There's no shot it goes all the way to here. does. Christ. Oh no, it goes up to like... No, it goes up to a midpoint. Where does it go to? Eh? Over here? So there's that bush there, then it goes up to like here. Just looking at the time. I need some food. So I'll try finish this later tonight. It's looking pretty good. If we can get all this nicely done, then it's already looking pretty good. So it'll come up to like over here, and then it'll have tracks up to here, tracks up to here around this tree, blah 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 blah. It'll just look like how it did in RuneLight, so we should be good on that front. Yeah, that might be us for today. Short one, because we're a bit late. A bit late, but very good chat. Very good and chill. Glad everyone's... I'm excited for this. I'm excited to, well, first move past tracking. Well, it's been like 3 streams on this. And move over to like pitfalls, move over to the other ones that are hopefully a lot easier. Yeah. Any last questions, Minash? Sorry you missed out on your nitro. Got a bit scammed there. Appreciate the gifted sub. And Kodio for the 5 gifted, even though he wasn't subbed himself. Gosh damn. He just wanted to one-up Minash. The gifted subs. Yeah. Till next week, we'll get this on the test world this weekend. Don't worry. We'll get this on the test world. You can mess around with it. We'll get a few models done. It'll look a lot better. The tracks are looking amazing from Magordi, so we'll get the bushes, the burrows. Museum mini quest. That'll probably be free to play rework. We'll get that in. I know it's quite important for early game. Just boosting your stats. I get that. But the Varrock Museum is not there. Not there currently. So, or the basement. Yeah. Appreciate everyone chilling, helping out. Means a lot. It's great that I can do this with you all. Everyone, stay hydrated as well. Don't forget to drink, Minash, when you're gaming construction. There's that APM going through the roof. Reminds me about it. Exactly, you need the reminder. You need the reminder. Yeah. Go get yourself some water, Minash, and I'll see you next week. Peace.